Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to verify game data on Steam. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your game data on Steam. So to verify your game data on Steam, the first thing you need to do is open up your Steam. Once your Steam is open up, right here, go to your library. After clicking on library, click right here. As you can see, the game that you want, then right click and click on properties. After clicking on properties, go to install files. After you are here, click on verify integrity of game files and click on that. Now, so you see it is now verifying. So there you go. Now it is verified. But if you're still having problems with the game and it's not working and you're verified, you can go to its to Steam for help, or you can just reinstall and install the game again. So to reinstall and install the game again, just right click here, then go to manage, then click uninstall, then uninstall. After that, click on install and then choose your drive, then click on that, then there you go. After that, if all of that is not working, contact immediately the Steam or the game itself, like for example Battle Realm. But right now, there you go. That's how you verify your games in Steam. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, just type it down in the comment section below. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.